Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can install AMD graphics drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So to download the program from AMD official site is to go to amd.com/n/support and then click on this download Windows drivers for Windows, and this is for Linux drivers, Linux users. So I'm gonna go for Windows and we're gonna wait for the download to complete. After the download completed, then we click here to see the downloads, and we're gonna click on this AMD Adrenaline Edition Minimal Setup. So we click on it and click on yes, and here we click on install. And then from here we're gonna choose the recommended Adrenaline version and click on next. And of course here we're gonna put everything here, tag everything on this and click on install. And that's pretty much it, how you install the AMD drivers with auto installing. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and bye.